this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Vaz Prep won and decided to send Mona Heights Primary first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Mona Heights Primary. For Bible knowledge, in which book of the Bible is the first account of Moses leading Israelites across the Red Sea?
Exodus.
Exodus.
Correct. Vaz Prep, in which book of the Bible do we first meet Samson, the man with the strength in his hair?
Judges.
Judges.
Correct. International affairs, it's a visual, Mona Heights. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Philip Davis. Philip Davis.
Correct, he is the Prime Minister of the Bahamas. International affairs, it's a visual for Vaz. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Mia Motley.
Mia Motley.
That's right, Prime Minister of Barbados. Mona Heights, science. Sound waves travel slowest through solids. Is this statement true or false?
False.
False.
That is correct, sound waves travel fastest through solids. Vaz, sound travels very quickly through a vacuum. Is this statement true or false?
True.
True.
Incorrect, it's false. Sound is unable to travel through a vacuum. Mona Heights. Television is a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this animated movie character.
Pumbaa. Pumbaa.
That's right. Vaz, look at the monitor and identify this animated movie character.
Rafiki.
Rafiki.
That's right. English language, Mona Heights. According to the proverb, who or what calls the tune?
He who pays the piper. He who pays the piper.
That's right. Vaz, according to the proverb, what makes perfect?
Practice.
Practice.
That is correct. Sports, it's a visual. This is for Mona Heights. Look at the monitor and identify this athlete.
Basketball.
Correct. Vaz, look at the monitor and identify this athlete.
Omanzala.
Incorrect. It's Ferdinand Omanyala, the Kenyan track star. General knowledge, Mona Heights. 60% of volcanoes occur in areas surrounding which ocean?
Pacific Ocean.
Pacific Ocean.
That is correct. Vaz, what is the shallowest of all the world's oceans?
Arctic.
That is correct. Social studies, Mona Heights. In which Caribbean country was the Calypsonian, the mighty sparrow, born?
Grenada. Grenada.
That is right. Vaz, in which Caribbean country was the Nobel laureate, Sir Derek Walcott, born?
Barbados.
Barbados.
Incorrect, it's St. Lucia. Music, Mona Heights. What is the highest female voice?
Soprano. Soprano.
That is correct. Vaz, which female voice lies between soprano and contralto?
Tetanus.
Repeat.
Tetanus.
Incorrect, it's mezzo-soprano. Mona Heights, mathematics. The area of a square is 144 centimeters squared. What is its perimeter?
48 centimeters.
That is correct. Vaz, the perimeter of a square is 56 centimeters. What is its area? Mona, would you like to try?
196 centimeters squared.
That is correct. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Vaz Prep on 5 and Mona Heights Primary on 11. We go to a break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Try not to study or do homework in front of the TV or while you're on your cell phone. Study time should be focused. Stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.